Hello everyone, welcome to my new session on Informatica learning. In this tutorial we will learn on creating a new mapping and which will differentiate the unique record and the duplicate record. So how to design a mapping, and so we will see on that. So you can see this is my source table. In a source table you can see the first record and the second record both are same and it's a duplicate, and the third record and fourth record which is a unique record. So our target is to load this set of information. So this will be a final output. We have a two target table. One is the table unique, and it contain like a unique record, and another table is contain a duplicate record. So table duplicate, and it contain only the duplicate record information. So how to design a mapping, so that is the things. So let's come to the Informatica mapping designer, and we will create a mapping and we will see how this thing will happen. So let's create, it's a mapping unique and duplicate record and load. So that is done. Now come to the source. We have a source, so let's come to the source and we'll just load the source table. So here it is a Oracle source. Yeah, this is fine, and here it is. And now come to the source table. So where is our source table? Here it is a source table. Okay, yeah, yeah, here we have a source table. So now come to the mapping designer. We will create a source. We will take the source table. So here is the source table. Okay, yeah, that's it. And now we need expression transformation. We'll just take all the column from the source qualifier, and we have to just different separate out the duplicate. And so for that we need aggregated transformation. So where is the aggregated transformation? So this is the aggregated transformation. So here we will take the all the column, and inside the aggregated there is one thing which we need to do, that is to check group the all the column based on the group by all the column, and we will create a new column, and in a new column which will just check the count, which will be a number or integer, and this is not an input, so it will just check for the count and count of all the rows. So we can just do this one, and then pipe, and again we'll do this and pipe, and column 3 close. Let's validate. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so this will check the count. So if the count is 1, that means it is only one record, and if the count is more than 1, it's a 2, so it's a duplicate record. Okay, now what I will do, we can just create a router transformations which will just route the data. So that is also fine. Yeah, here it is the router transformation. Take all the column from the aggregator transformation and load it in, and here the router will just create a two group. One is for duplicate and one is for the unique unique record, and then duplicate record. In case of unique, so what will the result in case of unique? So it should be 1, and in case of duplicate, what should be the counts? It's very simple, it should be a greater than 1. Yeah, that's the small thing we need to just apply in a counter transformation. Yeah, it's a router transformation, so count is done. Okay, that's it. Now come to the target table. So where we have a target table, so we have two target table. So come to this target designer, and target, import data, and here we have target. So in a table, yeah, this is the table duplicate and table unique. I can just select both in a one go and click OK. So both the target table came here. Now come to the mapping, and here is the duplicate and unique. So come first with the unique. So this is the unique. Let's expand it. So here is the unique connected, and then we need a duplicate. So here is the duplicate. It's a very simple way I'm just creating. there are many things like we just have to just work on a naming convention, this router should be a kind of, the naming convention should be this is the right way to design a mapping. So we have to always provide some description, have to write something on a description. Also naming, name of the transformation should be very generic, uh, which suggests that what the purpose of this transformation. And also we have to just write like okay, yeah, that's it. I think, yeah, this is done. Let's arrange it and save this one, and then we have to just generate a workflow. We'll just create a workflow, and here it is, workflow, nothing to do here, just click and finish. Now workflow got created, so let's refresh this folder or disconnect and then connect it. Yeah, here it is, you can see this is the workflow got created. Only thing inside the session, just check for the DB connection. So here the source table, so just check for the DB connections, so it should connect to the right database. And also in the target, just few things, it should be a normal, and just insert, and this it is not required delete. And similar to this target table duplicate, it should be a normal, and it should not be, yeah, this is done. Yeah, all done. Let's execute this job. Now come to the database. You can see in a source we have this kind of data. In a, this is the duplicate record, and here it's a unique record. So now what is the target table as of now? The data is, so I can see there is no data here, and same for the unique. Yeah, I don't see any data. So let's run the job and we will see after completion of the job. So here it is running, it's got succeeded. Let's check. So I can see table unique has 2 record, and the table duplicate has 1 record, and source count is 4 records. So seems good. So let's check into the database. Let's refresh it. Yeah, this is table unique, so I can see this is a one other unique record. And come to the table duplicate. Yeah, ABC is a duplicate record. So very simple way, I just design it. With the help of aggregator transformation and router transformation, you can achieve dividing the data into unique and duplicate. Very simple way. Okay, let me give your comment on this session. That's all for today. Yeah, thank you everyone.